Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all know that the world has so much competition today that life has become a race. And in the desire of winning that race, sometimes we fall for bad deeds and start going on wrong path in life. What we need today is some peace and goodness in our lives. And how can we achieve that? Let's know that with a story. Once there lived an old thief in a village. He also taught his son the art of theft. Now the son used to steal, and both father and son would lead a comfortable life. The old thief had strictly forbidden his son never to come into talks of any Mahatma. One day the thief's son thought, why not steal in the palace of the king? And he went towards the palace. At a distance, he saw that a Mahatma was preaching. Having thought that father denied to listen to any Mahatma, he ran away from there by putting his finger into his ears. While walking, as he raced near the crowd, he collided with a stone and fell down. Then the words of Mahatma got into his ears. Never tell a lie. Never think bad about someone whose salt you eat. The one who does so, the God always keeps him happy. He got up at once and went towards the king's palace. Having reached the palace, as the thief wanted to close the door, the gatekeeper asked, who are you? By listening to this, the thief remembered the Mahatma's words. Never tell a lie. The thief replied, I am a thief. The gatekeeper let him go because he thought he was a servant, he was kidding. By speaking truth, the thief entered the palace. He entered a room. There he saw a lot of money and jewelry. He filled everything into a bag and entered another room. There was many kinds of food in that room. He started eating food. Having eaten food, he started going outside. Then again he remembered Mahatma's words. Never do bad to someone whose salt you eat. He thought food had salt as well. I should not think ill of king. Having thought so, he started walking back. The gatekeeper asked again, what happened? Didn't you steal? The thief said, whose salt you eat, don't steal there. Therefore, I left all the money in the kitchen. That's when the cook's voice came. Thief, thief. The gatekeeper caught the thief and he was taken to the king. On being asked, the thief said, Maharaj, I told the truth that I was a thief, but I ate your food, and whose salt is eaten, stealing is not done there. So I was running without money. Having listened to the thief, the king was over the moon. The king gave him job in the palace. Having gone to his house from the palace, he said to his father, see, after listening to Mahatma's words, I got job in the palace. So friends, even when you are going to do something bad in life, but you don't have bad intention and follow the saying of great people, then God never lets you fall for those bad deeds. And if you live on the words of great people, you automatically start eliminating the bad habits you have. And gradually, you become the person you can be proud of. So if you want to goodness in your life, in your heart, then start with small things like listening to good people, spending time with great and good people, and follow their path.